Hey, what's going on, guys? I hope everybody's having a wonderful day so far. Here we got a 2017 in our inventory, 2017 Hyundai Elantra, and I just wanted to do a quick video walk around and start it up for you guys. This one came in with 122,000 miles. It has a green title. It's a very economical vehicle, in a sense where you get about 28, 29 miles per gallon city and 38 highway. It has a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, takes regular gas, and it is front-wheel drive. It's a compact sedan, but it has plenty of space, especially for just small drives and day-to-day needs. Windows are tinted on the vehicle. It has gray cloth interior and seating up to 5 passengers. Here's a quick look of the front of the cabin. Keyless entry is an option. It also has a blind spot detection, power windows, and a push to start. Again, 122,000 miles. Starts up fast and beautifully. No misfires, no errors, no check engine lights or any air lights for that matter. You also get a backup camera. And that's pretty much it. All right, folks, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, by the way, I forgot, it kind of throws me off, but with cloth seats, you also do get heated seats. So this one does have some additional options. All right, now that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any additional questions about this, do not hesitate to reach out, and I'll be more than happy to assist you guys. Thank you very much for tuning in, and we hope to see you guys in person. Bye-bye.